I'm getting like drunk over here on cookies.
Everybody pace yourself.
We made a whole entire class on cookies. But I'm not gonna talk about the whole class today. I'm just gonna talk about a couple of my favorite parts. You can use these tips and tricks that I'm gonna show you today to level up any cookie. I suggest you use our recipes because they're bulletproof, but if you wanna go rogue and use grandma's, that's fine too. This is a really good cookie, don't get me wrong, but the zombie, the Kraggle, and the Katsu are seriously leveled up. Take already cooked cookies, burnt ones. You could even use cookies from the cupboard, like some Chips Ahoy if you wanted. So you make like breadcrumbs basically. Then when you have the cookie dough, you roll it around and you bread it. Get it crazy covered, and then you bake it. You know how when you have like crispy salt on a cookie and you get to bite the crispies, but you can't cover the whole cookie in crispy salt because that's too much salt. But you get the same texture sensation here. We've got a snickerdoodle here, and we turned it into the Kraggle snickerdoodle. To make a Kraggle, you take any leftover cookie, burnt cookie, overdone cookie, even underdone cookie, again, and you break it into big lumps. You take those chunks, squeeze them in there, and then you bake it. And you get the best of both worlds. You get the chew, the crisp, but this one you get big crunch. Ooh, heavier than it looks. Dense. We call it zombie because he's kind of like the reborn or the undead. We take the old cookie and mix it with the mixer into the cookie dough so he's fully mixed in, and then he's reborn. But look at the difference between the zombie, the exact same cookie, right? Same formula, except this guy's reborn. And you get this glassy texture, and then you get, oh, cookie layers and chew and crisp everywhere. I don't think I've ever had a cookie that's like baked twice that wasn't overcooked. It's still perfectly cooked somehow. It's baked twice. Mmm. Crispy, still chewy, still gooey on the inside, but just glassy, crispy on the outside. There you have it. 3 amazing hacks to level up the texture of any cookie you already love. If you want to get serious, come to ChefSteps.com, get a whole class on mastering American drop cookies. We can help you dial in your texture. A little chewier, a little cakier, a little crispier, whatever you want. We've got all sorts of tools to help you on ChefSteps.com.